After downloading file, extract the zip file and follow the step guide that I am doing here. Simply you need to copy and paste the files inside the folders. Then go to File, Open Data folder. Then select MQL4 folder. Copy the expert folder file and paste it on expert folder. Copy the indicators folder files and paste it on indicators folder. Copy the libraries folder file and paste it on libraries folder. Copy the template folder files and paste it on template folder. You almost done. One last step, close the MetaTrader and reopen it. Then go to Charts, Templates. Then select the indicator. Congratulations! You have successfully set up the template.